Today, we're going to explore a fascinating theory that has intrigued scientists and enthusiasts around the world. We are about to embark on a journey through space and time to investigate the idea that the planet Mars may have been inhabited in the past and is currently a large archaeological site filled with the remains of ancient civilizations. I'm Eric, and you're watching Mysteries and Theories.
Mars, Extraterrestrial Archeology.
Mars, our planetary neighbor, has been an object of fascination and exploration for decades. But what if there was more to discover? What if Mars was so much more than just a red, arid desert? This is the premise of the theory we are investigating today. From the first space missions to our days, probes and rovers have been sent to explore Mars, collecting precious data and images. Currently, in 2023, we have 3 rovers operating on the Martian soil. Curiosity, from the United States, which has been operating since 2012 and has been in operation for over 10 years. Perseverance, also from the United States, which arrived in 2021 and has been there for over 2 years. And Zhurong from China, that arrived in 2021 and has been in operation for just over 2 years. These missions have provided us with valuable information about the red planet's geology and atmosphere, but some people believe these images reveal something more. Something that could change our understanding of the history of the universe. As we examine some of these images more closely, we notice formations and designs that do not appear to have arisen naturally. Note this rock fragment. It has obvious traces of something that was carved. Could it be part of a work or some old construction? Notice the artifact in the center of the screen. With these angles, it could be treated something fossilized or an unknown object. See another example. The sculpture of a head or mere pareidolia. Fossil record. A small entrance. And if we exaggerate a little, the fact is that if there really are remains of artifacts made by ancient inhabitants, they could be very different from the objects we know. However, these rock fragments with strange and varied shapes have some characteristics that cannot be fully explained only by natural processes. If such traces exist, they could be from civilizations that already became extinct millions or even billions of years ago. This means that very little would have to be observed due to the wear and tear caused by time. It would take a thorough search of the site to find any evidence of these civilizations. But how would these civilizations have arisen on Mars? An intriguing theory suggests that Mars could have had conditions favorable for life in the distant past. It's believed that billions of years ago, Mars had a denser atmosphere and liquid water on its surface, similar to conditions found on Earth. This theory raises the possibility that life developed on Mars even before our own existence here on Earth. Recently, the Zhurong rover discovered that the planet had running water just 700 million years ago. In addition, chemical elements such as carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus were found, fundamental for the maintenance of microbial life in the way we know it. It is important to note that there is no consensus on these ideas. While some researchers claim that the features observed on Mars are merely geological coincidences, others argue that these structures are real evidence of past intelligent activity. It is also important to maintain a skeptical and critical approach when investigating these theories, but it is also critical to keep an open mind to possibilities that have not yet been fully explored. Fortunately, Mars exploration is far from over. With new technologies and planned missions, We will have more opportunities to collect data and more detailed images. And who knows, maybe these future manned missions could provide more conclusive evidence about the existence of ancient civilizations on Mars. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Your presence and support are very important. Remember to subscribe and suggest new content. I hope our journey together is inspiring. See you in the next video.